Thought someone was calling on me. What is up, YouTube fam? You guys already know what it is. It is me and my beautiful daughter Ari, you guys. So we are coming back with yet another vlog, you guys. We're super excited, and I told you guys I was coming back with the comeback, you guys. I want to let you guys know what I'm really excited about today. Let me get Ari in the frame because I had her head cut off. You see it? Today, you guys, you know how I told y'all we were delayed on the project for the dresser drawer, right? We were delayed, and the reason why we were delayed was because there was a ton of love bugs, and I think I spoke them into existence, but it's not as many as there was before, you guys. We don't want any more love bugs, you guys, because it is delaying our project, you guys. And oh my god, I think I spoke them. Now look, you see all of them right there? Yeah. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna see if I can push through with the push through, you guys. I probably spoke these bad boys into existence. I literally came outside and shuffled through the grass to see if any of them were gonna pop up, to see if I'll be able to finish this project today. But it looks like I'm not gonna be able to finish, at least not with the painting today.
Yes, he is.
But you think I am? Yes, I is. Yes, well, she said yes, I is. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna try my hardest to try to get done with this project. It's not as bad as it was before, but it's still, you know, a little bit buggy and stuff like that, you guys. So I know that I'm talking a little bit fast, but that is because time is not on our side, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started into this video. But before we do that, you guys, I want you to do me and Rhea a quick favor, okay? And what that favor is, please make sure that you guys like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, give this video a
thumbs up,
and make sure that you join the Coop Squad, you guys. And I hope you guys all enjoy this video. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this thing on up, and let's just pray, you guys, that these love bugs just go away and we can get started, because my baby wants her dresser drawer, right? What was that? You heard that? Oh, that was a bird. But yeah, my baby wants her dresser drawers, and I'm ready to be done with this project so we can go on to the next project. Bye! Okay, guys, so I probably spoke too soon. Look, there's a love bug right there, but it still was not as bad as it was before, you guys. So I'm gonna just move him off my thing or whatever, you guys. So I just want to show you guys, this is what the dresser looks like right here. Again, you guys, is where the where I put the tape on that actually messed it up and took off the stain on it and the paint. So this is what I was talking to you guys about earlier. If you guys surveyed my last video, you guys would see the before picture of what this actually looked like in the drawers before I actually sanded it down. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and sand this bad boy down, you guys. Make sure I get this nice and smooth. Look, there's love bugs. Oh my god, I probably spoke too soon. I'm just gonna pray on it, and let's get started, y'all, because like I said, if they all start coming out, it's gonna delay this project again, so we ain't got no time to waste. Okay, so I am gonna put this out there, you guys, just so that nobody comes for me on here. This dresser drawer is not real wood, you guys. So what you guys are going to see me doing is, yes, I am sanding it, but I'm not sanding it literally down to the bone, you guys. I'm basically scuffing it up, and I want to get rid of any shine so that way the paint has something to stick to. So again, that's why you guys aren't seeing me like completely sanding it down. I'm just trying to get that, you know, shine off of there. And again, it's not real wood, you guys, so that's the reason why, if you're wondering, like, why is she not, you know, sanding it all the way.
You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy tonight. Happy tonight. tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
Okay, you guys, so this is what the dresser is looking like. It looks super good, you guys. Way better than that brown. I'm so stoked. This is going to be such a great addition to Ari's room. Like I said, you guys don't always have to go out and buy things. Use what you have at your home. Shop your home. If you guys can see right there on the dresser drawers, they still need about another coat, so I am going to hit this a third time, you guys, but looking good so far.
Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
And I just wanted to fill you guys in on the progress that we're making on the drawers, you guys. I'm super happy. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I was able to finish sanding. I was able to finish actually painting, you guys, and I thought that the love bugs was gonna stop my work, but it actually did not, you guys. I'm not gonna lie, we had a couple of love bugs, you know, here and there, but it was not bad at all. In fact, the number one thing that I had to worry about, you guys, would have to be the gnats. The gnats were terrible, you guys. Like, they were everywhere. Mike, stop! So the gnats were terrible, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. They were not biting us or anything like that, but they were sticking to my paint, and that was one of the things that I dreaded, you guys. I dreaded it so much. But I'm super happy that I at least got to put on my coats of paint, you guys. It looks so good. You guys cannot tell me that the before and after is so good, you guys. It looks so bright. It's gonna look so good in Ari's room. I'm super excited just to put it in that room. Now, like I said, the only thing that's gonna suck, you guys, is, like I said, it's the time change, because, you know, as you know, it is getting darker quicker. So unfortunately, I won't be able to finish it today. So you guys, it's actually gonna be 2 parts to this video. So if you see me tomorrow or in the next clip with different clothes on, you guys, that is why. The last step that we would have to do on that is I'm gonna hit it with the poly, and then I get to, you know, put on the doorknobs, not the doorknobs, you guys get what I mean, the accessories and stuff like that that come with the dresser drawer, the knobs. And then that is gonna be it, you guys. We're almost there, you guys. We are almost there, but we got so much done today. Huge pat on the back, you guys. We did it, you know what I'm saying? I'm super excited. Like I said, I got further than I expected. The weather was on my side, and yeah, I'm super pumped, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead, and that is gonna be it for right now. I'm gonna pull you guys back up. You guys are probably gonna see the next vlog, so just make sure y'all stay tuned. So let's go ahead and get started to the next day. Boop.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. In the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. giving up. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will.
Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this vlog, you guys. I hope that you guys all enjoyed my dresser drawer DIY makeover, you guys. It looks so good. You guys cannot tell me that the before does not look better than the after, you guys. It looks brand spanking new, you guys. I'm gonna leave it downstairs for a couple of days to allow for the paint and stuff like that to cure. The only bad thing, you guys, is when I move one of the dresser drawers, I hit it so hard on the corner of one of the other tables and it chipped off a little bit of the paint, and I was like, oh, why? I swear I'm moving too fast. I wasn't paying attention, so I'm probably gonna have to touch up that, but it's like literally like a little piece. But I literally whacked it, like none of like I whacked that bad boy. But other than that, you guys, as you guys can see, when I showed you guys, it looks perfecto, you guys. So I hope that you guys all enjoy. I'm coming, y'all. I'm coming with the content. I told you guys, and I just hope that you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, you guys. I'm so excited to put this in Ari's room. Like I told you guys, if you guys have anything in your house, no need to spend the money. Just go ahead and try to refurbish what you have and save the money that way, you guys. I mean, that's what I'm doing. Moved it out of Tony's room and it's going in Ari's room, so she's gonna use it. And can you guys actually believe my son has had that whole set, that like dresser drawer stuff that goes with his bedroom, since he's been like 2, so it was well due for an update, you guys. So that's gonna be it for this vlog, you guys. I just wanted to, you know, show my face and end the video, and be sure to like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up for your girl and go ahead and subscribe to the fam, you guys. And until next time, bye y'all.